In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a Google Forms survey or questionnaire in a simple and professional way. So let's get started. First, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. Then go to Google and search for Google Forms. Click on the official Google Forms link to open it. Once the page loads, you'll see the homepage. Here, you have the option to create a new form. You can either choose a template or start from scratch. For this tutorial, we're going to create a new form from a blank document. Click on Blank, and this will open the form editor. Now you can start building your form. At the top, you'll see Untitled Form. This is where you can enter your form title. For example, you can name it something like Company Survey. Just below that, you can add a short description to explain the purpose of your form. Now let's move on to the questions. By default, the first question appears automatically. You can edit it and choose the type of question. For example, let's create a multiple choice question and ask about gender. Then you can add options such as male and female, and if needed, you can also include an other option. You also have the option to make the question required so users must answer it before submitting the form. To add another question, click on the plus icon on the right side. For example, you can create a short answer question and ask for the user's age. This allows respondents to type a quick response. Next, let's add another question. This time, choose the paragraph option for longer answers. For example, you can ask, "Do you have any experience?" This will allow users to write a detailed response about their background or experience. You can continue adding more questions using different formats such as checkboxes, drop-down menus, and more, depending on your needs. Now let's look at the Responses tab. This is where all the answers from your form will be collected once people start submitting it. Next, go to the Settings. Here, you can adjust important options like collecting email addresses. If you don't want to collect emails, you can disable this option. You can also turn your form into a quiz by enabling quiz mode, assigning points, and setting correct answers if needed. Now let's customize the design of the form. Click on the Theme Customization option in the top right. Here you can change the colors, text style, and even add a header image to make your form look more professional. Once your form is ready, it's time to share it. Click on the Publish button in the top right corner. This is the updated version of the old Send option. After clicking Publish, make sure the form is set to Anyone with the link so people can access it. Then copy your link. You can now share this link anywhere on WhatsApp, in your YouTube description, on social media, or directly with your friends. Before sharing, you can also click on the preview icon to see exactly how your form looks to users. And that's it. Your Google Forms survey is now created and ready to collect responses. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.